Hello everyone. In this module, I'm going to take you through Diploma in Information Technology, Level 3 of United Kingdom National Qualification Framework. Your main tutor will be Mr. Upul Vijayaratna, who's having extensive career record as a lecturer, more than 20 years in information technology sector in various educational establishments in Sri Lanka. Your co-tutor will be Mr. Prabhat Ratnayaka, who's certified trainer, possession of certifications from Cisco, Linux, CCNA and MCSA. During this module, you will get the experience from the industry expert through their practical experience. Well, Mr. Upul, it's over to you to explain the technical aspects of the course.
Thank you, Vasala, for the opportunity. Those who have completed Diploma in Information Technology program, it is recognized by a Qualify, which is awarded by a UK awarding body. So it is highly valuable in all over the world. The course pathway start from level 2. Level 2 is equivalent to GCE, O-level and A-level. Once you complete that, you can directly join for the level 3 Diploma in Information Technology. After completing the diploma, you can join level 4-5 is goes to HND in IT or cybersecurity or web designing. Any field you can select when you go to the HND. After complete HND, directly you can go for a level 6. That means a BSc Honours in Computer Science. The sample certificate is shown here and it awarded by the Qualify awarding body. The course content divided into two areas. First month focusing on most of the theoretical and practical areas. The second month also focusing on most of the programming concept areas, especially Python, C#, software engineering, web development are focusing on the second month. When it comes to the fundamentals of IT, generally we are discussing about the background of IT, advantage of IT, and when you are selecting the IT program, which path is suitable for you. So you can understand everything from this module. Hardware is very important in IT section. This module we are discussing the most important hardware elements in a computer. Networking is very important in IT section. In this module, we are discussing about most important networking concepts and we can practice. So under the graphics, especially we are discussing and practicing most of the popular graphic software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, etc. And MS Office is most important software for office environment. You can learn MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint and Access. And the internet and email also very important these days. You should know how to use properly email and how to use internet. What is web browser, what is search engine, what is SEO, everything you can learn from this module. Web development is very important module in our course. So you can develop your own website with having this knowledge. The Python is very important programming language. We can develop most powerful programs using Python. So you can learn Python programming in this module. C# is another very popular program and you can build up standalone softwares. So we are practicing and guide you how to create a standalone software from C#. Software engineering also very important. If you are trying to become a software engineer, you have to learn about the concept of software engineering. So in this lesson, we are discussing you all the software engineering techniques, tools and mechanisms, everything we are discussing.
I hope now you have a clear understanding about Diploma in Information Technology and I'm looking forward to seeing you at the classroom. Stay safe. Take care. However, if you need further clarifications, please do not hesitate to contact one of us at any time. Looking forward to hearing from you and seeing you very soon. Stay safe. Thank you.